Thank you for tuning in, everyone. Today is Earth Day. I'm very excited about today's tutorial because I just love Earth Day. One reason that I love Earth Day is because it helps me to appreciate all of the beautiful creation that God has created for us. We live on a beautiful planet, and God made this planet beautiful just for us, from the animal life to plant and flowers. Just you see beauty all around us, and that's just simply for us to enjoy. We don't need colors, we don't need anything of that nature. Things could be in black and white, but he made these beautiful colors for us to enjoy and made this beautiful earth for us. And I just want to create a beautiful look in honor of our beautiful planet. So thank you for tuning in. And before I get started on my eyeshadow look, I just want to let you guys know what I went ahead and did with my skin. So I pre-cleansed my skin. I'm currently using the Rodan & Fields Reverse Lightening regimen. And that's only because I have very, very sensitive skin. So when I have breakouts, or if I'm sick and I'm blowing my nose a lot, I'll get like dark spots around my nose. And if I break out, I'll get like pimples, and that'll leave nasty dark spots. So this regimen, it just helps to even out my skin tone. It helps with my dark circles under my eyes. So this is a really good regimen. And if you're interested, you can click on my link below that I'll include. And then if you're interested in ordering any of the products, you can click on that link as well. Or if you just have general questions about Rodan & Fields, please leave a comment below, and I'll try to answer that if I'm able to. If not, then I'll refer you to my friend who's has a Rodan & Fields for her business. This is what she does. She's very knowledgeable about all the products. She can help you if I can't. So I went ahead and cleanse my skin with that, and then after I moisturized and everything, I went ahead and used foundation. I have the Fenty Beauty foundation. It's the Pro Filter in color 400, so I used that everywhere. And then underneath my eye, I used the concealer. This is the RK by Kiss HD Concealer and Foundation that I purchased at a local drugstore. I think like Family Dollar or Dollar General, something like that. So I used that under there. And then on top of that, I used the powder, the Wet n Wild setting powder in the color Banana. I purchased that at the CVS drugstore. So you can buy affordable products that'll still get you the look and do the job that you want it to do. So I have the powder underneath my eye because we're going to get into a multicolored eyeshadow look. So for Earth Day, I know a lot of tutorials that I've seen for Earth Day, they're usually like the general earth colors. White, green, blue, brown. That's it. I want to highlight the coral reefs because it is such a beautiful part of the earth. Is very important for the earth to have these coral reefs. So they're beautiful, multicolored. So I'm gonna try to create a look to imitate our coral reefs. Let's see what else. So I have the powder on, the foundation, the concealer. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with our eyeshadow. So thank you again for tuning in, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so because we are imitating the coral reef, we are going to start out here. We're going to use a lot of blue to represent like the oceans. I'm going to try to use like some blue and yellow to represent like the sun and the sea. And then like toward our lid, I'm going to incorporate more colors like pinks, purples, greens, just to represent those beautiful colors that we see in the coral reefs. So I'm gonna get started. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. I love it because I'm really into bright, happy colors. Like, I love colorful things, and this palette right here, it has all of those beautiful colors that I love. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this yellow right here. So here is my final look, guys. Please tell me what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching, and happy Earth Day. See you guys next time.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue